baby girl. What's he doing? You being loud. Yeah, you were mad about it, weren't you? See, not on my watch, Mr. Bird.